Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make these bows. They're perfect for gifts or decorations, even a tree topper, and you can make any size you'd like, so stay tuned. Okay, what you'll need for this is going to be wired ribbon. So I got these two. You can actually use any kind you'd like. I just chose these. This is a Dollar Tree ribbon, so not bad. And these I believe I got over at Joann Fabrics. So you'll need this. You will need possibly a glue gun, some scissors, some wire. This I also picked up at Michael's along with this wire cutter. So here's what you do to start off. We're going to start off with the red bow. So you kind of measure it right about, maybe I would say 12 inches. So I have a ruler here and I usually do this. So I'm going to make this one 12 inches. So what you want to do is fold, and you just start folding the same length to where you're going to have 3 loops on each side. You kind of flatten it out as you go. Okay, we need to go one more. Okay, so if you look here, we have 3 loops on each side to make our bow. Okay, so at this point here, I'm gonna leave a small tail, and I'll cut it up to about right here. Okay, then what you're gonna do here is you want to find the half. So the half would be right about here, this section, and you're gonna cut not all the way through, so you gotta be careful not to cut it all the way through, but you want to have some good scissors and cut it at least a little sliver, maybe a little bit more to the middle. So like I said, you want to be careful you don't go all the way. And let's cut the other side. Definitely need good scissors. So we've got that there. Then we're going to get our wire, and we are just gonna, you just want about a piece like this, because we're going to need another piece for the next bow to come. So we're going to do this. I'll go ahead and cut it with the wire cutters. So convenient having these. Okay, so we're going to start wrapping it kind of tight so that doesn't unravel. Okay, so we have a little bit of tail so we can latch the other one on. Okay, so we have our first bow here. So we'll put this aside, and I'll show you what we're going to do with it next. We're going to move on to this one here, which is the gold one. And this one, I'm going to go a little bit bigger because I'm going to use this as a layer bow. So this is going to be the one behind the red. Okay, so let's make it about 2 inches more. So we're going to come about up to here. So let's make it about maybe 14, we'll say, right about there, between 14 and 15. So I'll go ahead and make a crease here to get that one started. And we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to lay it flat, and this table is not as big. You definitely want a bigger table. I just thought I'd get this video going up. Highly requested from a lot of friends. I posted something on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, it is Beauty to Lifestyles. Go ahead and follow me there. Okay, so here we have, I'm coming to the end of this ribbon here. I've been doing a lot of bows for Christmas decorations around the house. Let's use it all up. Okay, well look at that, just about right there. let's remove this little tape that's on the tail. Okay, so here we are, and like I said, we have 3 layers. Wow, that was just perfect. I used the last of it. So let's move this aside. So same concept, we're gonna fold it halfway. We wanna figure out the half point, which is right here. And we're gonna go ahead and